What to do if your Granville air conditioner is not blowing cold air. When this happens, you can sometimes fix the problem yourself. When you cannot fix the issue with a few simple measures, call a professional air conditioning repair service. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning. First, check the thermostat and adjust it if necessary. Be sure the thermostat is set to cool and set to a lower temperature than the outside air. Check your HVAC filters. A central air system blows air across an evaporator coil to cool your home. Dirty HVAC filters can block airflow across the coil, and can cause ice to form on the coils. You should replace the filters when you get a spring AC tune-up, and, as frequently as once a month, depending on how fast dirt accumulates. Check the outside unit of your AC system. One problem might be foreign objects, blocking airflow to your outside unit. You should remove dead leaves, branches, twigs, and any plant overgrowth near the outside AC unit. Then, clean the condenser with the proper AC cleaning agent and rinse with a garden hose. Check the outside breaker or fuse block, and reset the breaker or replace the fuses if tripped. How to prevent air conditioner problems on a hot Granville day. For best results, have your AC serviced each spring. Ensure filters are replaced, coolant levels are optimal, and that there are no additional issues that could prevent your air conditioning from working. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning. The absolute best service to keep your home's heating and cooling systems running smoothly. Schedule an appointment for AC repair or air conditioning maintenance with us today. Use the convenient form on our website, or call 740-345-6639. In Granville, Ohio, and surrounding areas. We pride ourselves on our customer-focused service, and our reputation shows it. Dor-Mar Heating and Air Conditioning services Granville, Ohio and all of Licking County. Call 740-345-6639 or visit dormarhvac.com.